Hello everybody and welcome to this tech video tutorial on Screencastify. My name is Jenna Grisby and I am a recent graduate from the School of Education in the Multiple Subject Teaching Credential program. So today I would like to share an overview of Screencastify. So Screencastify is a Chrome browser extension that records your screen, face, voice, and more. It's simple and easy to use. You can use it on Chrome, PowerPoint, videos, whatever you want to use it on, anything that you could have on your computer. And you can opt to use your face or just use your voice recording, which is really nice and convenient, especially for teaching when you have days where maybe you just want your voice. Videos under 5 minutes are free. However, after 5 minutes, it will charge you. It is about $50 for a 1-year subscription, but your district might have a subscription to Screencastify, which allows your videos to be of any length. So check in with your school district to see if they've purchased this. All right, how to use Screencastify. So first, go to screencastify.com. Follow the installation steps. This may differ depending on what type of computer you have. An extension will appear in the top right corner of your browser, and the Screencastify icon looks like this. It's this little peaches color video recording icon. What you'll do is you'll click that, you'll turn on your microphone and your camera if that's what you wish, and then you hit record. So then you record your video, and when you're ready to pause it, you can go back to this little icon and you'll hit a pause button, and then it'll bring you to a page to edit your video. So my story using Screencastify, I used it in my student teaching in my kindergarten classroom. I included my voice and video, which allowed my students to see my face and hear my voice, and that helped maintain some consistency during this crazy and unknown time. I liked that students could access my Screencastify videos whenever they wanted. I would put them up on Google Classroom, and then they could see them whenever it was most convenient to them. They could go back and watch videos that maybe they didn't quite comprehend, or just that they wanted to revisit. I mostly used PowerPoints to teach my lessons, and I was able to teach all subjects through PowerPoints and Screencastify. I did my morning greetings that way. I taught math, reading, and science. So I will show you a quick plant video.
Grandpa, what do you know about plants? All right, did you know that plants are alive? They're living things. And most plants need water, sunlight, soil, and the air around them to live and grow. So what do they need? Water, sunlight, soil, and the air.
All right, and that is it for my Screencastify presentation. Thank you for watching this technology video tutorial from the School of Education at Cal Poly. I hope you've enjoyed learning about Screencastify.